Hey guys, and welcome back to Health Click. In this video, I'll show you what the MemoCore brain memory supports capsules are, what they offer, and how to use them. So let's get started. According to the official websites, MemoCore is a dietary supplement designed to support memory, focus, and overall cognitive health. The website says it's formulated for adults who experience forgetfulness and brain fog, difficulty concentrating, or age-related changes in memory, using a blend of natural ingredients. According to the websites, one of its key ingredients is, first of all, 100% natural, as said by the website. And as you can see, the ingredients are listed here. You will see the name of it and also a short explanation of what it does, but you can make your own research about each ingredient provided here. Also here down below, you'll be able to see what the website says as the health benefits of MemoCore. And of course, you'll be able to order it by clicking on order now. If you go, you'll find here the packages provided. So 2 bottle, 3, 6 for the price and conclusion and everything. And at the bottom, you'll find frequently asked questions if you have questions before ordering. So I'm just going to open here the answers. If you have one of these questions, you can pause the video to read the answer yourself. And of course, you can click here the top ingredients if you want to just get to ingredients, fact, or frequently asked question if you want to get into that, and about if you want to just know what is it about. So if you'd like to purchase it, you can go and find it on many stores like Amazon. You can just go and buy it from there or buy it from any official websites that seems trusted for you. You'll have to do your research about that as well. You can just go and buy it, order it, proceed to checkout, enter your shipment details and payment information, and complete your purchase by following the on-screen instructions. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.